Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. This turnkey fully furnished 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment is an investor's dream, currently being used as a lucrative short-term rental unit. This apartment is centrally located in New Kingston, which is close to all major banks, hotels, schools, and hospitals. The unit is being sold fully furnished. The unit comes with stainless steel appliances, 3 air conditioning units, and a washer and dryer combo. The complex has an elevator, as well as stunning views of Kingston and its environ from the communal rooftop entertainment area. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is Jamaican 44 million or US $285,800. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.